Hey guys, first and foremost, I would like to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I never thought I would get 60,000 subscribers, so I do appreciate that. From time to time, I come across these T-top Mustang Fox Body 5.0s. I got really lucky with the Mustang. This one here, I found it locally, and it was for sale, right? So this is a 1987 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT with T-tops. It has a clean Carfax report. This is a one owner. Yes, one owner. I rushed over there, and it was hard to strike a deal, trust me. But I would have paid anything for this car because there's only 7,314 of these built in 1987 with the T-tops. So I've been around these Ford Mustangs since '87, since I was a sophomore in high school. My first GT was in 1989, and I customized it and so forth and so on. But anyway, this here is a one owner. And also what's even more fascinating is that the older couple that I purchased it from, the wife actually worked at the Ford dealership that she purchased her car from. This one only has 25,300 and some change on the miles, and they are original. This vehicle will continue to climb in value. It will be and is a collectible vehicle, so it's just something to remember that you are investing in the car. So anyway, looking at the original paint, I just had a two-step paint correction done on this car, and it came out like a piece of glass, guys. They really took care of this Mustang. It was garage kept. They had a cover on it, and they rarely used it, right? Only 25,000 miles. And yes, it is a 5-speed. Just walking around this car, guys, it's stock. It is stock. It is just simply gorgeous all around. I was truly impressed with this car and with the quality of the car. Clean title, obviously, in hand, Illinois. Never driven in the rain. I spoke with them for about an hour and a half in their garage. And actually, when I got there, they were really hesitant on selling the car. I think reality kicked in and they're like, okay, we'll never find this again. But I got lucky enough to get this car. Yeah. Interior, mint condition, guys. Engine in mint condition. Everything on this car is in excellent condition. I am really impressed. And listen, if I don't get what I'm asking for the car, it's okay. I don't mind. I can afford to hold it. I know what it is. I know the values of these. I know what they're going to be in 5 to 10 years from now as well. I want to fire this up, man, and I want you guys to check it out. I'm gonna pop that hood for you guys. Hold on. Look how clean this thing is, man. All the factory stickers are where they're supposed to be on both sides and the back. No accidents as well. I want to go for a ride, man. Let's do this. All right, so everything works on the Mustang. Cold air conditioning, turn signals, horn, everything functions like it should. All right, tilt wheel. I'm gonna put the seat belt down because I don't want to get pulled over for something stupid. But anyway. So MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street here in Addison, Illinois. I've been in the business for 26 years, guys. I own all the vehicles here. I try not to consign any vehicles due to, you know, people want all the money in the world for their cars, and then I have to add on my 10% like Mecum, and then it gets overpriced and you're overpaying for the car. So I just buy them at a great deal and try and sell them at a great deal. This one here, unfortunately, guys, this is one of those that is a collectible car. And this is an investment and will continue to climb in value because of the T-tops and how rare that they were produced. All right. Clutch feels good. Transmission shifts nice from first to second. Brakes feel nice. It doesn't pull to the right or left on the brake. And like I mentioned earlier, everything does function on the car. Very smooth down the road, no rattling when you hit a bump or anything, no squeaky noises, just a well put together original Mustang. Yeah, tires are spinning. So if you guys need financing for this car, first and foremost, you will need good credit. You will need $5,000 down. Rates start at about 8%, and you can find the application on my website at mgmclassiccars.com. Scores between like a 640 and 770, please fill out that application. If your score is higher than a 770, call or text me and I'll give you my lender's direct website for a no money down option. Okay? Yes, no money down option. And yes, we do finance 1987 vehicles. We're not your traditional dealership. We have great relations with our lenders. Now, if you need also delivery, guys, not a problem. Call or text me at my number, and I'll get you that. Please include your make and model, or maybe a picture of the vehicle and your zip code. Yeah, those tires love to spin. So my cell number is 847-848-1850. Handling is great. Brakes feel great. Downshifting feels good. And there's a cop right there, I think. All right, we're going to head back to the dealership in this big brown building where you'll find all my cars. MGMClassicCars.com. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. Thank you for spending your 10 minutes with me. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you're serious, I will be hearing from you. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now.